Hi there, welcome to part 5 of Hindi writing for beginners. In the previous lesson, we started with the matras. And what is a matra? It's basically the dependent form of the vowel, and when we write it, it is a sign that gets attached to a consonant and then it modifies the sound. The two matras that we saw in the last video were halant, which is the absence of the vowel a, and the matra of the vowel a, right? Today we are going to learn how to write the matras for choti e or I and badi e. If you remember, this is choti e and this is badi e. Okay, so if you have to write big, this is a small sound, I, big. But if I want to write feet, this will be a longer sound. So I and E. Now when we write the matras for this one, for choti E, this becomes like this. And the bigger E goes on the right side. Right? So the smaller E comes before the consonant and the second one comes after the consonant. Let's see how these are actually written out. So we have the first 4 consonants as k, kh, g and gh. So when we write the E ki matra, which could be the choti E, which goes like this, or the badi E, which goes like this, both of them will start from the vertical line which is there in the consonant. Your E ki matra will go from here like this. Okay? Similarly, it will be like this. Okay, so this is ki, khi, gi, ghi. By the way, when I say choti e ki matra, right? So if I write it, it will become choti e ki matra and badi e ki matra. So, choti means small, badi means big, ki means off, right? And matra is the sign, it's the word, right? The symbol is known as matra. So, it basically means the matra of small e and the matra of big E. Okay, so the small E is this one and the badi E or the big E is this one. So this is ki, khi, gi, ghi. Same way, if I write cha with the E ki matra, it will be chi, cha. Sorry about this cable, it keeps coming in. Cha, chi, ja, ji and jha, ji. Okay, and the rest will also be in the same way. So if you have ta with the matra, it will be like this: ti, tha, thi, da, D. Dha. Dhi. And Ra. Ni. Right? It will always go with the vertical line. The curve will end with the vertical line. Then Ta, Ti, Tha, Thi, Da, Di, Dha, Thi. When we write letters like Tha and Dha, we generally break this horizontal line a bit over the circle. So Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, and then we have Na. So then this becomes Ni. Then we have Pa. This becomes Pi. Pa. Pi. Ba. Bi. Bha. Bhi. And Ma. Mi. I hope you remember the consonants. We've done these previously, right? So it's the same. The way it is written is the same for all of them. Then we have Ya. So Yi. Ra. Ri. La. Li. Va. Vi. And Sha. She. And the same way for the last ones also. So we have Sha. So Shri. Sa. Si. Ha. He. And the mixed ones, Ksha, Kshi, Tra, Tri, and Gya, Gi. We'll look at a few words with the choti e ki matra, just for you to get an idea of how to write this. Let's start with the first word, which is Kila. Kila. And this is the A ki matra which we saw in the last lesson. So this is Kila. 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 And this means a castle. Then let's see another word. So you have Di, La, Dil. And Dil means heart. So Kila and Dil. Next is Chitra. Chitra. This means a picture or an image, a photograph. Alright? It could also mean a painting. Okay? Chitra. Then our next word is Kavi. Kavi, which means a poet. Chitra, Kavi. The E no Din. Din. This means a day. Right? Then we have Pita. Pita. Pita means father. Na, ri, ya, la. This is a longer word. Nariyal. Na, ri, ya, la. Na, ri, yal. Nariyal. Nariyal means coconut. Now let's see Badi E ki matra. It's written in the same way, it's just on the right side instead of left side. So let's say you have Ka, now it will be here. So it will be ki, ki, gi, ghi, then chi, chi, ji, jhi, ti, thi, di, dhi, and ni. Then you have ti, thi, di, dhi, ni, pi, phi, bi, bhi, mi, yi, ri, li, vi, she, shri, si, he. Kshi, tri, and ye. So for this one also, let's look at a few words, not a lot. So the first one is Nadi. Now remember, this is a longer E. Okay. So this is Nadi. Nadi. And this means river. Next, Ma, Cha, Li. Machli. Machli. This means a fish. machli. Then we have pani. Pani. Pani, which means water. Nadi, machli, pani. Then a longer word, ka, ha, ni. Kahani. Kahani, which means a story. Kahani. Di va ro. Divar. Divar. And divar means a wall. Kahani, divar. Let's see two colors. So we have Neela. Neela, which means the blue color. Neela. And very similar is Peela. Peela. And peela means yellow. So once again, for choti e, if this is the consonant, the matra will be like this. And for badi e, if this is the consonant, the matra will be like this. So that's it for today. In the next video, we'll cover the next two matras. Thank you so much for watching till the end. And if you found this useful, don't forget to like the video and maybe leave a comment. And if you're learning how to write Hindi step by step with this series, or even wanting to learn Hindi in general, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next lesson. I also have a Hindi speaking course going on in parallel to this, so you can check that out if you feel like doing that. So I'll see you in the next lesson. Take care.